Bitcoin and especially the price of Solana is crashing this morning. We talked about Bitcoin coming down to below 89K, so there's still a bit more selling pressure left in Bitcoin in my opinion. And with that said, let's jump into the price of Bitcoin. Let's jump into the breaking news and what happened in the past 24 hours in crypto. And guys, make sure to destroy the like button, subscribe to become a crypto kid, and let me know in the comment section down below, are you buying this dip? With that said, let's jump into the Bitcoin technical analysis. So going over here into the Bitcoin chart, you can see that we're playing the Bitcoin white coffee accumulation scenario very well so far. We spoke about the bearish volume, we spoke about the MACD crossing back into the bearish territory and the ascending triangle likely seeing a break to the downside on yesterday's moonshow, and that the Bitcoin white coffee accumulation is the statistically more likely scenario here technically. And I think we can still have a bit more downside to come below and tag the prior swing low at $89,000, collect the liquidity, then bounce back to 91K, then push to 100 and find resistance at 102, and then eventually come back to the local tops of 109, consolidate more, and then break to new all-time highs. So unfortunately, the bearish news here is that likely this consolidation is going to last a little bit longer, but it provides you the opportunity to buy the dip as much as possible. So yes, in the short term, altcoins are probably going to dip more. Bitcoin probably going to go into the 80s once again, but after we do, and currently as well, I think is a wonderful buying the dip opportunity. In fact, I just bought the dip right before I made this video. But Solana is the one that is a bit more concerning. If you go to Solana USDT, we fell about 20% in just the past 1 day alone. So currently Solana is trading at $136, extending its dump. And in fact, we're below where we were with Solana back in October of 2024, which is unbelievable. We're at the same exact prices. If you guys remember, 6 days ago on this channel, I made a video saying that I'm selling my Solana today. That is when Solana was trading at approximately $170 per coin. And the reason I sold my Solana was because of the whole meme coin scandals. I expected that now that meme coins were fading away with Libra coin and with Kanye West coin and all of these other scams coming along the way, I expected the hype on meme coins to be dying down and the narrative to quickly shift. What usually happens is when the price of Bitcoin dumps, people search for a new source of adrenaline. People search for a new source of dopamine. So instead of buying Bitcoin because you're in a consolidation phase, you tend to get a mini altcoin season. If that doesn't cut it, people go into meme coins or NFTs, and if that doesn't cut it, well then people just get depressed. And I think that is the point that we're at currently. I think we're just in depression. And if you go to the Fear and Greed Index, let's go into that. The Fear and Greed Index is currently sitting at 25. It's 25. That is massive fear. Again, another sign that it's a beautiful buy the dip opportunity. Tesla also, I think it's a beautiful buy the dip opportunity. People are scared about the stock market because usually you tend to see these consolidations before a market reversal. So if you know, we've had a significant rise on the S&P, and it looks like we're consolidating to either continue the trend or see a trend shift where you would reversing into a bear market. I personally think that the bear market will happen in 2026. I still think that we can continue pushing to the upside, specifically when the Fed cuts rates and the M2 money supply goes up. So I'm still optimistic here until the end of 2026, and then I expect a dramatic bear market. So those are my thoughts on the stock market. Then you look into this, like I was so shocked. How did SBF get access to a Twitter account? It's pretty mind-blowing stuff. And obviously he's commenting and supporting the Department of Government Efficiency and kind of, trying to surround himself with Elon and probably gets that pardoning that he's trying to achieve through his parents, but hopefully that doesn't go through. And guys, President Bukele bought 7 Bitcoin this morning, so I think it's a wonderful buy the dip opportunity. And if you consistently keep buying the dip, then I don't think you're going to be going wrong with Bitcoin. So with that said, guys, I know it's a very sad time, but please do your best to not have so much fear and not have so much depression that you quit crypto at this stage in time. These are consolidations, and the largest moves in Bitcoin happen over a 3 to 4 night period. So you do see consolidations of like 100, 200 days, but the actual 30%, 50% moves to the upside happen over 2 to 3 to 4 nights. So if you quit crypto, and you miss those 2, 3, 4 nights, then obviously everything is going to be for nothing. So please, please, please try your best to DCA, try your best to stay in crypto every single day. At least watch the Moonshow, at least watch the CryptoKid videos, and continue to DCA, and that will make you a successful investor, hopefully, in the cryptocurrency industry. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you all on the Moonshow very soon. Take care, guys, and as always, bye.